everyone, my name is Rachel Scherer, and I'm the instructional designer that is assigned specifically to Lamar Institute of Technology, or LIT. My specific title, I believe, is Special Initiative Projects / LIT, which is part of the whole TSIS system, shared resources, where we work amongst each other and pool resources to provide the best education possible for our students. Hi, I'm the person that you talk to when you need help with how do I best approach and best offer or teach my specific subject. I want my students to do X. How do I get it to do there? What tools can I use? How can I do that? What are the different options I have? I'm the person that you go to that helps you figure that out and helps shows you and explains to you the different solutions, possibilities we have being able to do it using the Blackboard LMS. So I'm that person there. I'm there to help you, support you. I'm your brainstorm. I'm here. I'm your cheerleader. I'm in the background. I'm here to help. Emailing, because obviously contacting me. Normally I would say email me or call me anytime, during the regular hours. But obviously during COVID and other things going on, I work from remote, from home. Yes, this is my home office. Yes, I have a thing for Yoda. Okay, sorry. This is just a small, maybe 70% of my collection. I do have another office that I do occasionally work out from on campus. So emailing is best, and if you do need to talk to me, I'm happy to schedule a Zoom, a Collaborate session, or I'll call you from my Google Voice and we will just talk. So it's there. Email me and I'll respond to you. If I don't respond within 24 hours, please reach out to me, because that means something. I missed it. I totally missed it. I respond within 24 hours or less, except for, of course, weekends and holidays. And a lot of times, even then, anybody that's worked with me will vouch for that one. I kind of have this thing about during the semester, I like to really make sure my people are being taken care of. I just can't completely turn it off. Background information about me. I am a double graduate from Sam Houston State University through the Department of Industrial Technology, or Engineering Technology now. I have my bachelor's in Industrial Technology and Secondary Education. I have my master's in Industrial Education and Educational Leadership. That was kind of like my minor. Thought I wanted to be a principal. No, sorry. And I am currently in dissertation, so I'm a PhD candidate for Applied Technology and Performance Improvement through UNT. I'm specifically studying how simulation-based training, if it has any effect upon pre-service teachers' perceived concept of how they're, or if they are able to meet the diverse needs of the diverse current student populations that they're going to be facing. So that's what I'm currently looking at. So my area is simulation training. So AR, VR, 360, all that fun stuff. For me, that's fun. Anyways, so that's my area of fun. Anyways, I am a mother. I have 2 grown daughters, age 24, 21. Obviously, as you can, point and tell. You can also tell I'm a fur baby mom too. 3 cats and 2 dogs. So please ignore them if they ever interrupt us when we're talking. 25 years teacher. However, I did not intend to go into education. I kind of stumbled into it when I was at Sam. I was actually pre-engineering, and I was going to transfer to A&M, and kind of took a teacher class just because, hey, I actually did it to get even with my dad. Not gonna lie. Okay, and we had a little disagreement, small, and so I just took a class and fell in love. So I actually found my calling, a teacher thriver. So I actually stay and I enjoy it. So yes, I am one of you. I still teach and I do that, and I enjoy that part of it. Student Whisperer, full-time SHSU instructional designer for y'all. I am sometimes half-time, sometimes I teach. Usually it's 1, sometimes it's 2 courses for the Engineering Technology Department here at SAM, and of course finishing up my dissertation. So glutton for punishment, but we all have our goals and we're getting there, and I'm almost there. I am a student whisperer. I have been called that by many of our faculty members in the Engineering Technology Department, because we do have cultural differences between some of our instructors and our students, so they will bring them in. I am the only female also, so sometimes they don't want to talk to a female about certain things, so they'll have them talk to them straight, and they'll bring them in, and I'll talk with the student, find out what's going on. We'll sit there and we'll discuss, and I'll explain, and I may fuss at them the same way about the same things the instructor is fussing about, but they listen to me. I don't know. I call it the mom effect. I tell them it's nothing personal. I just have 25 years in education. I've just been doing it for a long time, so I guess I give off that aura, and students listen to me and they perk up, kind of thing. I don't know. Mentor, advisor, and cheerleader. Cheerleader, I am your dog. Okay, sorry. So I really, really love working and helping, supporting people, because you really can do it. Sometimes you just need to know that there's somebody there that has your back and will support you and get you there. We've all had those students. We've all been there personally, and just having that person there, that makes all the difference in the world. Crazy for CTE, I actually asked for LIT. Oh, that was, anyway, sorry. Because career and technology education is where I came from. That's what I taught before I moved into higher ed. So I understand both academia, and I understand the importance of using and following specific requirements for workforce education. There's specific industry requirements that we have to follow. There's lots of specific lab components that go in. Yes, we can do a lot of our content delivery. There are other methods online, but there's just some things that we're never going to be able to replace that we have to be able to do, so our students get a very specific skill set that they are required for. Because your students may, and we hope, yes, that they go on and go and get a bachelor's, a master's, and so forth, or some of them just may begin certification to go into the workforce. I understand that, and I understand that that's something that you are balancing and how that we're doing it at LIT. So that's why I specifically asked for LIT. I understand your needs, the needs of the instructors, the needs of the students. I get it. Not that others wouldn't get it, but I understand. That's my background. That's where I came from. I worked in that for multiple years, 20 some odd years before, or 19 years before coming into higher education. E-learning, JEDI, which is just, electronic learning online, distance learning. Gaga for Google. I'm also loving OneDrive. It's the same thing, but I pay for extra on Google, so I have extra memory on Google, just so that I have it, because I have lots of things on there. I'm a recovering band mom. All those years, starting from 6th grade on up with both my girls, so that was 8 years of my life. Loved every minute of it, y'all. I was the band booster president for the last 2 years. I volunteer, I title on myself. Everybody laughs at that one. I'm a recovering shop teacher. My first year of 7 years in education. I was a junior high, middle school, 7th and 8th grade, middle shop teacher. So I do have a very interesting background. And then I moved into secondary high school, where I taught 9th through 12th, and specifically in the fields of engineering technology, and architectural and construction. Those are my 2 areas of specialty, well, besides obviously education. So it's kind of fun. I love the engineering design, and the mechanical engineering is actually my specifics. That's my specific strengths. And then of course architectural and commercial construction, that kind of stuff. Those are my background. My background before going into education and teaching was actual commercial steel construction. It's something that my father still does, and it's a family business. I just decided to go another route. Ed tech, again, educational technology. I love it. I do a lot of ed tech stuff. I go out and do presentations for ISTE and do different conferences like that. And obviously I'm a volunteer addict. I just love helping people. So if you find that it's working with others, helping to support CTE, STEM, STEAM, any of those kind of areas, just, helping, you're going to find me there. I enjoy it. I find it fun. If you need to know, or you want to know any more about me, you can go visit my website. You can see my credentials, you can see my Vita, etc. there. If not, just reach out to me if you're struggling, if you're having any problems. I'm here to help. I am not your content expert, but I am your support. I am here to help you figure out the way that's going to work best for you and your students to deliver your content and through the LMS to Blackboard in a way that's going to be the most effective, most engaging, and therefore have the most successful students we possibly can. Y'all have a great, wonderful, and blessed day.